Alright, for those of you following, my name's George and here's my cab over. 1981 Freightliner, Big Cam 350. We're working on it, we're slowly working on it. I hired a professional to put the wood floor in. And we kill matted the whole truck. Pressing it inside. Show you the other side. We're gonna put that over the doghouse. We got insulation under it. We're slowly working on the electrical. And we got the back all done. There's the roof in the back. We're spraying you back there. Looks like brand spanking you. Slowly working on it. We're covering the doghouse today.